Question number 6. A thermometer can read to an accuracy of 0.5 degrees centigrade. This thermometer is used to measure what is given here? Delta T is given. Measure a temperature rise of 40 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. Okay. What is the percentage uncertainty in the measurement of the temperature rise? So measurement of the temperature rise. Temperature rise will be T, which can be written as T2 minus T1, which should be 100 minus 40, which should be 60. The uncertainty in this should now be T should be delta T should be equal to 0.5 plus 0.5, right, which should be equal to 1. So finally, if I want to write, I will write this as T is equal to 60 plus or minus 1 over here. This is how I write. Now what is that I need? Delta capital T by small capital T. So this should now be 1 divided by 60 multiplied by 100. When I do this, I get this as equal to 10 by 6, right? 10 by 6 should now be equal to 1.67, which is nearly 1.7%. So answer is D only. Okay.